Here we have a KO Lee grinder. It is a model BA960. We got it hooked up to 230 volts, 3-phase power, and we're gonna turn it on and show you that it works. Before we do that, we're just gonna show you some of the manual travels. Okay, that's your side to side. This is your in and out. So right now we're going in with the table going towards the back, and this is the table going towards the front. Okay, this other one is going to raise your grinder up or down. Or down. Go down. Okay, over here you got forward and reverse. Alright, and the same thing over here, we got forward and reverse. Okay, that is the KO Lee BA960 tool grinder.